Welcome to the user guide for the FP text pager. The text pager will receive alerts from your FP sensor system. It will be supplied already connected to at least one pager. When you receive your pager, you'll first need to install the single AAA battery. On the back of the pager, pull back the rubber case and slide open the cover. Insert the negative end of the battery in first before sliding close the cover. This can be a bit fiddly. Try aligning the back cover halfway down before attempting to slide closed. A frequency precision transmitter will send its alert straight to your pager as a text message with an audible beep and vibrate. The system has a maximum range of 400 meters, although inside a building the range will be reduced by the thickness of the walls. The pager screen displays the alert messages, the time, the date, the alert mode, and the pager battery level. Your pager has 4 buttons. Button 1, Button 2, an up button, and a down button. When you receive an alert, it's stored in the pager memory. Each stored message appears as an icon here. Each time you receive an alert to your pager, we recommend you delete your messages once you've read them. To do this, you need to carry out the following procedure. Press button 1 to silence the alert. Press button 2 to enter the menu. Scroll down through the menu until you reach Delete All Messages. Finally, press button 2 twice to confirm. Your pager comes with a lanyard that can be clipped on or removed very easily. The protective rubber case can also be removed for cleaning. The screen can be illuminated. To activate the light, hold down button 2. Do the same procedure to switch it off again. The battery indicator on the pager screen displays the battery level. With normal use, the battery lasts about 2 weeks. In the menu, there are 2 alert settings. Choose Alert allows you to select a different audible chime. Alert mode allows you to change between audible and vibrating alerts. Press button 2 to cycle through the options. Then save the settings. In the menu, you can also set the date and time, as well as switch off the pager if you need to. That concludes this simple user guide. If you have any further questions on how to use your pager, the Frequency Precision team are always on hand to answer any questions.